Hey, Soil friends. It is Thursday, April the 9th in the year 2020. And congratulations. I mean, once you guys get through today, you have made it through week 2 of remote learning, and you will be down to only 5.5 weeks left of school, like total for the year. So it's very exciting. Make sure that you're working hard. Remember to get in a math assignment each week, a reading assignment, and a writing assignment. Those are kind of your minimums, okay? If you want to continue working on other things, I know that your teachers are sharing science things and social studies. So, definitely take the time and do some of those things because I think they're actually fun. I think the teachers are working hard on trying to find fun activities for you guys to participate in. Also, if you haven't had a chance to get in on a Zoom session with your class, I definitely suggest that too. I've been able to get in on a few. They're really fun. It's really great to actually see each other and be able to communicate even though we're all, stuck in our houses. So just recommendations that I have for you guys. And again, remember tomorrow's student vacation day. So there won't be any Zoom sessions. There won't be any extra work assigned, no teacher contact. It really is a day for you guys to take a break. All right. So let's talk about our foreign language for today. We are going to be using what's called Gaelic. Okay. Now, this is a language that is used in the country of Scotland, the country of Ireland, and the province of the Isle of Man. It's an actual island. And all of those places actually speak English, kind of like the British do in England. But they have kind of this ancient language called Gaelic that people used to speak a long time ago before more kind of American style English became popular. So they actually do use the word hello, but with their accent, they kind of draw that E out into a different sound, and it pretty much becomes like this sound like a U. So when they say hello, it's more hello. All right, so there you go. And then here, I just wanted to show you really quickly the flags of these different countries. This is Scotland, the blue background with the white X. Here is the Irish flag, the green and white and orange bars, really similar to France and Italy. They all have the 3 bars. So it's really interesting. Those countries are kind of close together and they have a very similar style of flag. And then this is the flag for the Isle of Man. These 3 legs kind of spliced together on this red background, kind of gladiator, warrior style looking legs. So that's the flag of the Isle of Man. All right, so let's talk about our weather for today. I think it's going to look really great. It's already looking really nice today so far, at least outside my window. Same temperature stand as yesterday, 37 for the high, 15 for the low. Hopefully it's going to turn out to be a really beautiful day. I think it is. So again, try to get outside, try to get some sunshine, try to get some fresh air. Good for your body, good for your mentality as well. So let's talk about all these observances for today. We've got a lot going on today. So for those of the Christian faith, today is Holy Thursday, and it's the day that they commemorate the Last Supper of Jesus of Nazareth and his disciples. It's always the Thursday between Palm Sunday and Easter Sunday, always right before Good Friday. And for those of the Jewish faith, today is the first day of what's called Passover, and it's a week-long celebration of dinners and events and gatherings to celebrate the exodus of Jews from Egypt when they had been enslaved to the Egyptians. So it's all part of what we typically call Holy Week across the world. It is also National Unicorn Day. Who knew? I don't know. I didn't even know unicorns had their own day. But just remember, you can't go out and find one because unicorns aren't real. All right, we'll talk about that with our cool word of the day. Oh, and also today, it's my birthday. So we're going to have some fun celebrating later on here at the Smith House. So let's talk about this word for the day. I tied it into our theme with our observance of Unicorn Day. And our word for the day is mythical. Mythical. A lot of times mythical means something that's related to a myth or a fable, remember, which are made up stories. So some synonyms, some words that are similar in meaning to mythical would be imaginary or make-believe, something that is fictitious. So I want you to think of another mythical creature or mythical being, and I want you to use our word of the day in a sentence where you identify another mythical creature or being. Make sure you drop that in the comments box today for some dojo points. All right, and so for more dojo points, let's talk about your brain teaser. For Thursdays, it's going to be what we call a rebus, okay? So I want you to look at this. This is the example from last week and the definition of what a rebus is. It's a little bit of a puzzle in which a word or a phrase, the word or phrase is going to be your answer. It's represented though by a combination of, could be pictures, could be symbols, words, letters. Remember, this is the example from last week. We have the word for, and we have it 4 different times, and it's making the shape of a box or a square. So the answer for this rebus, remember last week, was foursquare. Okay, so I'm going to give you your rebus for today. I'm not going to give you the answer till way later on in the day, way in the afternoon or the evening maybe, because I want you to try to see if you can figure out the answer to this rebus. So this one is your rebus for today. I will make sure that I post it in the stream as a separate post so that you can really kind of look at it and study it, and you can comment there and see if you can figure out the answer to this particular rebus for today. Again, for dojo points today, use our word of the day in the sentence, answer the brain teaser. If you get into your online programs at some point today, I'll check it first thing tomorrow morning, and I'll give you more dojo points for that as well. And then last but not least, let's talk about how to say goodbye in Gaelic. It's definitely an odd phrase, okay? So here's how it looks. You see this and this and this. It's 3 parts, and it's not exactly, it doesn't sound exactly as it's spelled. You would pronounce this Martian leave. That's how it's pronounced, Martian leave. All right, so I hope that you guys have a great Thursday. Remember, it's kind of Friday for you. Communicate with your teachers. If you feel like you have questions, let them know. Get outside, enjoy some fresh air, and just enjoy your long weekend. And if you are a celebrator of Easter, I will also wish you a happy Easter this Sunday. All right, guys, so Martian leave, have a great day.